Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Voicemod. So actually guys, you just need to launch your favorite browser and then just go ahead to the search bar right here, or just right here like so, and type right there Voicemod. Right then just go ahead and click on that link. So it's on the www.voicemod.net, and after that just go ahead and click on download for free. So this is the free version and it's available on the Windows 10, 11 and the Mac OS. So once you click on it, you will need to sign in or to create a new account on the Voicemod platform. So actually I would just enter with my Gmail, right? So let's choose a random Gmail for me, and then just continue. So as you can see, you will automatically receive the installer. So you will need just to locate it on the download or any other place, and after that just go ahead and launch it. Right, so that's it. Just go double click on it and then just choose the language. So let's say English and then OK. And after that just hit next. I accept the agreement. Just go with next. Right, so browse on your files and locate it, then just next, and right now go with next again, and so right now you will need to wait a bit until it's complete the installation. Right, and right now you are able to launch your Voicemod. So just keep that option checked and then just go with finish. Right, so now the Voicemod will launch automatically with us. Right, as you can see. And as you can see, you will need also to click on get started. Then start using Voicemod. So actually guys, this is our Voicemod. As you can see, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.